Now we will do an exercise on this object. Let's go and open the 14-wheel start. These objects have been applied planar mapping coordinates so that you can see them directly inside the viewport of our UV reactor. We can start with this. Alt-Q on the keyboard. In the material editor, slate editor, there is this type of texture. If you want, you can increase it as far as its tile is concerned. We will see how to solve it. These problems, this is because we have a typical planar mapping, planar but open UVReactor, and we go. In sub-object selection mode, and since I am currently recording, so I have a recording program. When he opens, read a little slower. He placed in this location because I had moved the object to this location. I had rotated it and so on, but if you prefer, then you will move to space 1, which is this, then all the elements will be moved directly to that location and are also rotated 180 degrees. So if we want to have the number how to say in this way, we have to rotate directly within the viewport point. The easiest thing to do in this moment then on this type of object is to tell him flatten. I put the FTWO key. I say flatten, he basically stretches out and reaches this extension. I deactivate the visualization of the edge with the F4, and let's go for a moment to see and observe how it solved very well. In practices the distortion that was there because he managed to flatten his coordinates of mapping. The interesting thing is that where there are hollows, he relaxes them and manages to relax them without practically creating sides, edges that overlap each other. So he's very smart about this area. Of course we will have a slight distortion here of this element. If I want it straight, I have to split it, so I should split this part, that is the part above, and we'll basically make another shell, but we keep it in this way. Let's go to do this. Alt-Q on the keyboard, so I'm going to isolate the eye, apply this element here to you see that there is a distortion here. We will do exactly the exact same thing. We are going to create a flatten of this object because it is a hemisphere anyway. I'll take it. You can see that this is also located in this location. If you want this too, you can move it to the side. Flatten is already ready. Here ditto. We can rotate the object, or we can rotate it directly in here like this.